How was the session of health assessment?
It was very good. I think it brings a lot of improvement and it was very beneficial for us. There was many bonus pointer that we attended it, and it was overall well.
What all the differences you
Yes, ma'am.
noticed
It was-
from the class?
It was quite fruitful and it was beneficial for all the students, I think. I think learning in the classroom from books and from teachers, and then learning practically in the laboratory on the patients practically, it helps us a lot to gain that practical knowledge.
It makes a big difference
Yeah.
that we learn from
It was very
theoretically
beneficial.
and then doing it and then correcting their mistakes by return demonstration. We learned a lot from it and all the mistakes were corrected.
Did you learn any new terminologies?
Yeah, there were a lot of new terms that we weren't aware of. We learned it quite good, and there were many things that we learned from it, and there was a good session.
Did doctors interacted with you?
Yes, ma'am. All the doctors, Dr. Bisma, Dr. Ibris, they were quite supportive, I think. And they provided us a lot of knowledge about neurological examination, about physical examination, and about examination, abdominal examination, Dr. Wasim sir. And we learned a lot about that neurological examination, how can assess the different nerves, I can do the different neurological tests which are only read on our books. And when we learn it in those, and how can assess those nerves and whether they are peripheral nerves or cranial nerves, that helped us a lot.
And after we were done with the session, they also helped us for the return demonstration. And in the return demonstration, all the mistakes we done, they were all corrected, and all the things that we missed as a point, and they also reminded us to make the highlights of the point, and it was a very beneficial.
Were your doubts cleared?
Yeah, most of the doubts that we had and any kind of questions, they were all cleared out, and if there was any kind of mistake that we did, they were all cleared out. It was very beneficial.
How will you rate overall?
Quite 10 out of 10 I would rate, because it was not only about the deeper knowledge they provided us, but from basics. They provide basics how we can.
To get more insight.
If you had to assess the patient, you have to start from those basics. They taught us all.
Any further suggestions you want to?
Yeah, there should be more like these sessions should be more like their frequency should be, so that our mistakes of any kind of doubts and because there's a great difference between the theoretical portion and practical portion. So for us there should be more hold on to the practical session. So there should be more of these sessions.
So overall you are happy?
Yeah, I'm quite happy with that.
I think the college administration should actively plan these sessions for not only for our batch but for the other batches. I think yes.
Yeah, inshallah, we will
It help-
start.
And
it
we are
helps
also
students a lot.
really thankful for our college for giving us these opportunities to get more insight of what we know.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to thank all the doctors and all the college administration for providing us such opportunities to learn.